Ever wished your Windows wallpaper could change itself like magic? Well, Ansible makes that possible. It automates system management, including wallpaper updates, so you never have to hunt for that perfect background manually. Plus, it ensures consistency across multiple machines. Because let's face it, we don't have time to change wallpapers on every device. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible is the superhero of automation. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks just happen without human effort. That's the magic of Ansible. With its agentless approach, it's like having an assistant that never complains, forgets, or takes coffee breaks. Why automate wallpaper changes? Simple, because time is money, and manually changing wallpapers across devices feels like a full-time job. Whether for branding or just personal aesthetics, automation ensures a seamless and stylish setup with zero effort. Before diving into Ansible magic, we need to set the stage. Install Ansible, ensure Python is present because Ansible loves Python, and set up SSH connectivity for remote execution. Think of this as giving Ansible its toolkit before the real work begins. Alright folks, let's get started. First, we define our playbook structure. Think of it like setting up a stage before the show. Next, we specify the target hosts because we don't want to change wallpapers on the wrong machines. We'll use the right Ansible modules to actually do the job, and of course, we test it to make sure we don't turn our screens into a modern art disaster. Now on to deploying. First, we configure WinRM, because Windows won't just let Ansible waltz in unannounced. Then we run the playbook like an orchestra conductor, ensuring everything syncs beautifully. We verify execution and connectivity, making sure Ansible isn't playing hide and seek. Lastly, we check logs because, let's face it, errors are inevitable, and we like to solve problems before they become disasters. This is where we put on our detective hats. We review results to make sure our playbook didn't go rogue. Checking logs is crucial because, let's be honest, troubleshooting without logs is like solving a mystery in the dark. Debugging tools help us pinpoint what went wrong. And finally, we fix those errors so our playbook behaves as expected. Why stop at manual execution when automation can do the heavy lifting? We schedule execution so wallpapers update on their own, like magic. Automation tools keep things running smoothly while we sip coffee. Monitoring ensures that no system rebels, and consistency keeps everything uniform because mismatched wallpapers are just a bad look. Security, security, security. First, we follow the least privilege principle because giving too much access is a recipe for disaster. We secure Ansible connections because an unsecured system is an open invitation to trouble. Regular audits keep us ahead of potential threats, and updating playbooks ensures we stay sharp and not stuck in yesterday's tech. Troubleshooting is an art. We first identify error patterns because problems love repeating themselves. Ansible's debugging features help uncover mysteries, and checking system compatibility ensures we aren't using a playbook meant for another century. When all else fails, we consult documentation, because even experts need a cheat sheet. And that's a wrap. We've covered playbook writing, execution, debugging, automation, security, and troubleshooting. Now it's time to put all this knowledge to use. Start implementing and refining strategies. Learning never stops. I'll leave you with some resources for deeper exploration, and most importantly, keep experimenting. Because the best way to learn is by doing. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.